Hi, I'm Ravjeet Khurana from Mumbai, and today I'm going to be making Singh's smoked Nawabi chicken. And for this we are going to be using a bowl of yogurt, coconut milk, almond paste, ginger garlic paste, cumin powder, turmeric powder, red chili powder, garam masala, coriander powder, a pinch of saffron, fried onions, fresh lemon juice, finely chopped fresh coriander leaves, mint leaves, slit green chilies, then black pepper powder, vegetable oil, and desi ghee. Let's get started. First we'll take in the yogurt. Coconut milk, almond paste. Now, almond paste I've taken about 30 to 40 grams, blanched it, and made a very fine paste of. You can also soak it overnight, keep the almonds soaked overnight. Then goes in the ginger garlic paste. Now the powders. We start with jeera powder. About a tablespoon of jeera powder, then half a spoon of turmeric, red chili powder. This is as per taste. I have used Kashmiri red chili. Then goes in the garam masala. Coriander powder. You can either put in the strands of saffron. What I have done is I have just taken a tablespoon of milk and soak them in it. Now putting in the fried onions. The most important criteria in this recipe is the marination of the chicken. Now as the mixing is done, we'll put in the chicken. I have taken half kg chicken leg pieces, that is along with the thighs, but you're most welcome to use chicken of your own choice. Chicken put in. Now we'll just mix it properly together. There is only one more ingredient left, which I will put towards the end, and I will tell you what it is. With this done, now we will cover it and put it in the fridge for 2 hours. That is the minimum for marination. Ideally, you can do it, keep it overnight also, that is the best. But 2 hours is the minimum time required for marination on this. It's been 2 hours and the chicken is marinated. So we will remember the secret ingredient I was telling you about earlier. Well, we will put it a little later. We will let it cook for about 5 minutes on high flame, and then around 25 minutes on low flame, and then we will be adding the ingredient, which is good food, good life. So for all that we have to wait. Yeah, it's been 5 minutes. We'll just open it and stir it. We'll simmer the gas and let it cook for another about 15 minutes. Fifteen minutes are over. Now we will just mix it a little, and I was telling you about the ingredient to be incorporated later. So this is it. It is good food for good food, good life. Nestle Magic Masala. Believe me, it really enhances the flavor and comes out superbly. I'm going to be putting 2 teaspoons. Mix it a little. we have mixed the ingredient well. Now, just cover it and on simmer gas for about 2 minutes. Let it cook for 2 minutes and get it. After that, we will do the smoking. Two minutes over. We'll put off the gas now and do the final part of smoking. See, the oil has all come to the sides. It has been cooked very well. For the smoking, I have heated the coal. This is how we go about it. Place it on top. And we'll put a teaspoon of pure ghee and cover it. We'll wait for the smoke to get over, so the chicken takes in all the smoky flavor, which enhances the whole thing. You can see the smoke all coming out now. It's getting clearer inside. So we'll open it now. This is done. Best to have it with a garam paratha, roti or a naan. Do try it and enjoy the dish. But don't forget to add magic masala for good food, good life by Nestlé's. Thank you.